channel. If you're new to AutoCAD or looking to get started with computer-aided design, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the essentials of AutoCAD, including the main features, the interface, and some basic commands to get you up and running. By the end, you'll have a good grasp of AutoCAD fundamentals, so you can start creating your own drawings with confidence. So, what exactly is AutoCAD? AutoCAD, created by Autodesk, is one of the leading software programs used by architects, engineers, and designers for creating precise 2D and 3D drawings. It's widely known for its versatility, from floor plans to complex engineering models. For beginners, AutoCAD may seem overwhelming with all its options, but once you learn the basics, it becomes a powerful tool that will help you bring your design ideas to life. AutoCAD offers a range of tools that make drawing, editing, and annotating designs easy and efficient. Some of the main features we'll go over today include the drawing tools, which let you create shapes like lines, circles, and rectangles. Modifying tools like trim and extend, which help you adjust your drawings, and annotation tools, which allow you to add text, dimensions, and notes. These tools make up the foundation of AutoCAD, and understanding them will make it easier to tackle more complex projects. Let's take a quick tour of the interface to help you feel more comfortable navigating around. When you open AutoCAD, you'll see the main workspace, which is divided into several key sections. At the top, we have the ribbon, where you'll find all the main tools grouped by function like draw, modify, and annotate. Below the ribbon is the drawing area. This is where you'll actually create and view your drawings. At the bottom, you have the command line, which is one of the most important features of AutoCAD. You can type commands here, like L for line or C for circle, and it gives you feedback and options as you work. Getting familiar with the interface is key to working efficiently in AutoCAD, so take a moment to explore these areas. Now, let's dive into some basic commands that every beginner should know. I'll show you a few essential ones to get you started. Line command. To draw a line, type L in the command line, press enter, then click to set the starting point. Move your mouse to set the direction and length, then click again to complete the line. This command is useful for creating basic shapes or layouts. Circle command. For circles, type C, press enter, and then select your center point. Drag outwards to set the radius and click to finish. Circles are helpful for everything from bolts in engineering designs to features in architecture. Rectangle command. Type REC and hit enter, then click to set the starting point, drag to adjust size, and click again to finish. This is especially useful for laying out floor plans or creating boxes. These commands may seem simple, but they form the foundation for much more complex designs. I recommend practicing them until you're comfortable. Quickly go over how to navigate within your drawing. To zoom in and out, use your mouse's scroll wheel. To pan or move around the drawing without altering it, hold down the middle mouse button and drag. These basic navigation tools make it easier to work with large or detailed drawings. Once you start creating, you'll want to save your work. To do this, click the Save icon in the upper left corner, choose a location, and name your file. AutoCAD saves drawings in the DWG format by default, which is compatible with most other CAD software. To open a saved drawing, just go to File, then Open, and select your file. And that's it for today's introduction to AutoCAD. You've learned about the main features, explored the interface, and practiced some basic commands. With these skills, you're ready to start experimenting and creating your own designs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. In upcoming videos, we'll dive into more advanced tools and techniques, so stay tuned.